everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we're going to see how you can enable your dark mode on Windows 11. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your settings, for which you can simply just click on your search icon right here, and then in here you can type settings. After typing settings, here you can see under the app option, you can see the option of settings. You can simply just click on it, and then your settings will be opened. So after your settings being opened, here you will be able to see the option of personalization on the left side right here. Click on it, and then you can see the option of colors. Simply click on this, and in here you can see the option of choose your mode, from which you can simply just click on this arrow. Right now you can see we are currently on the light mode. You can click on this arrow, and then you can see the option of dark. Simply click on it. And now you have successfully enabled your dark mode on your Windows 11. And now all of your system will be dark. Here you can see before it was all white. You can see it is currently dark, and all of your settings options are also in dark. Here you can see, and just like this you can enable your dark mode on your Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.